Hi there, students. Sotto voce. Sotto voce means to say something quietly. Okay? To talk in an undertone. To talk in a soft voice. So, for example, there's this story with Galileo, who said that the Earth goes round the sun, not the sun goes round the Earth. And then he was made to recant, to withdraw his statement. So he said, I think, I recant, I'm sorry, the Earth is still the centre of the solar system. And then he added in sotto voce, but the Earth still moves. So the Earth continues to move. So you say something in sotto voce for various different reasons. You could raise your voice for emphasis, but also you could talk quietly for emphasis. Okay, so sotto voce, in a quiet voice. I was at a party with my friend, and he turned to me and said sotto voce, "This party's really boring, let's go somewhere else." Okay, so not out loud so that everybody can hear, but reduced. You can also have sotto voce in music, which means play this bit quietly. Don't play it very strongly and loudly, play quietly. And you could even use sotto voce to mean not publicly so that everyone can hear. For example, there was a lot of sotto voce criticism about his actions. So people were whispering it to each other. They were telling each other, but they weren't standing up in public and saying it so that the whole group could hear. This phrase, sotto voce, comes from Italian. Sotto, underneath, and voce, the voice. So, an under voice, an undertone, a soft voice, a quietly said. Okay? So, sotto voce, in a quiet voice. The client is perfectly right, especially when they're wrong. Okay, that would be another example of it. Okay, so what about formality? I don't think I would use this phrase sotto voce in an informal conversation. It sounds very literary, very artistic. I think you would use this in an essay or something semi-formal or something very formal. Okay, so don't use it in an informal conversation. I give it probably a 7 in formality. Sounds quite artistic. Okay, so sotto voce, in a quiet voice, maybe for emphasis, maybe because you don't want to be overheard, or all sorts of reasons. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, comment, and you don't have to comment sotto voce, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sotto voce, Italian.